We had a client recently who said that he used our frameworks inside the 90-day pipeline to finally make the biggest pitch of his life and close the biggest deal of his life, I think were his words, where he proposed to his girlfriend of, I think, a long time, and she said yes. And it's a nice story, but not at all surprising, to be honest, because what we found time and time again is that when you level up in one area of your life, you level up in many areas of your life. And the thing that people get when they come through our programs, probably more than anything else, in addition to the money and the revenue and the deals and the opportunity and all that stuff, is they get confidence. They have a new level of and a newfound confidence in themselves and in their business and in their offer, and that confidence extends out into every area of their lives, whether it's their romantic partner or their marriage or their relationship with their children or their peer group or their fitness or their athleticism. That confidence just can't help but permeate every area of their lives. So we love this story of this client, and there's many more where that came from.
I mean, if you believe in what you're selling, then a fear of self-promotion is kind of like the height of selfishness, right? If we can accept that there's clients out there who desperately need your help and have problems that you can solve, and if we can accept that you have the solution to those problems and you're uniquely positioned to solve those problems in ways that others can't, and if the client works with anybody else but you, they're going to be underserved or misserved, or they're not going to get what they need in some shape or form, then your fear of self-promotion and putting yourself out there, which is a very common fear because it can be uncomfortable if you're not used to it, is ultimately holding you back from winning more deals and earning more revenue and all the good things that come with that, but also holding the client back from getting the results that they could be getting because you're not there. So your fear is really coming from a place of selfishness where you prioritize your feelings over the well-being of the clients and the market.